Thinking about taking your side hustle to the next level? You're not the only one. Entrepreneurship has grown like crazy in the United States over the last several years. Business application numbers have been increasing since 2020, and in 2023, a record-breaking 5.5 million new business applications were filed. Deciding to turn your passion project into a full-fledged business is exciting, but it also requires research, planning, and dedication. Wondering how to get started? Hi, I'm Randa and I'm a small business writer here at NerdWallet. Today we're going to walk you through 5 basic but essential steps that can help you level up your side hustle and give your new venture a shot at staying power. The first step is choosing a business structure. Even with the side hustle, you've still been running a business, but now that you're looking to expand, it's time to make it official by choosing a legal structure or business entity type. A few of the most common types of business entities include sole proprietorship, limited liability company or LLC, and corporation. The option you choose determines how your business is taxed, how it's organized, and who is financially responsible if your business is sued. Many entrepreneurs go with a sole proprietorship simply because it's the easiest. It doesn't require you to formally register your business with the state. A sole proprietorship can be risky, however. With this type of business, you have no legal separation from your company, so you're personally responsible for any debts or liabilities. Registering for an LLC or corporation is more expensive and requires more paperwork, but it can protect your personal assets from lawsuits or bankruptcies. The right entity type will depend on your individual circumstances. It can be helpful to consult with a business accountant or attorney for professional advice on which option is best for you. The second step is separating your personal and business finances. Mixing business and personal finances can get messy, especially when it comes to filing taxes or getting a business loan. There are a few easy ways you can separate the two. First, you can apply for an Employer Identification Number or EIN. An EIN is a unique tax identification number for your business. And despite the name, you don't need to have employees to get one. Think of it like a social security number for your business activities. The IRS can use your EIN to track your business tax returns, and other financial institutions may ask for it as a part of identity verification processes. You can get an EIN online for free in just a few minutes at irs.gov. Opening a business checking account also helps you separate your personal and business finances. This unique account allows you to keep your business income and expenses organized and easily accessible. Look for a business account that has low or no monthly fees and fits your needs in terms of transaction and deposit limits. The third step is formalizing your business plan. Your side hustle may have started organically, but turning it into a full-fledged business requires research and strategy. Use your business plan to outline your products or services, as well as conduct market research. Describe who your competitors are and how your business will stand out from the crowd. You should also sketch out short and long-term goals, along with a sales plan, financial projections, and potential roadblocks. Be realistic. Set specific targets and spell out how you plan to reach them. Building a business plan gives you a roadmap for how to grow your business. It also shows lenders you've done your homework if you need to secure a business loan. The fourth step is to start bookkeeping. With your side hustle, you may have gotten away with using a manual spreadsheet to track your income and expenses, or maybe you haven't been tracking them at all. Now it's time to get organized using accounting software. Simply put, accounting software tracks the money going into and out of your business. And good accounting software will help your operation run more smoothly. It'll allow you to track your cash flow, manage invoices, as well as generate reports and financial statements. Expect a learning curve with any new system, but know that this type of software can keep you organized as well as give you valuable insights into your business. The last step is investing in professional help. By nature, entrepreneurs wear many hats, but you don't need to wear all the hats. Outsourcing some aspects of your business frees you up to focus on other things like customer service or product development. Social media not really your thing? Consider hiring someone to build and manage your business's presence on Instagram, TikTok, and other platforms. Do tax forms give you anxiety? Invest in a certified public accountant to file for you. Or maybe you feel like you just need advice. Seek out an organization like SCORE that provides free business mentors who offer personalized advice as you make your way through your business journey. It takes time and investment to turn your side hustle into a small business, but if you start with these simple steps, formalizing your legal structure and business plan, organizing your finances, and investing in professional help, you'll be well on your way to a successful business venture and all the benefits that come along with it. Hi, I'm Randa and I'm a small business writer here at NerdWallet. If you liked today's video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel.